Hi there. In this video we'll cover how to move the dashboard layout around to change my appearance. I've already opened the job analysis dashboard and I want to change this to suit my needs. So to customize it further, I've opened the Snapshot Dashboard Designer. Let's get to it. For example, I want to change the job status, amount to invoice and sales reps. I'm not mad about the way it looks and feels. So the job status, let's change that to a pivot. The amount to invoice, I think we should rather have that as a gauge. And in fact, if I look at the gauge options, let's go rather with a half circular gauge. No, let's go with a linear gauge. That makes more sense to me as well. And in fact, what I'm going to do is change that amount to invoice to a invoice urgently, and that changes that header. And then on the sales reps, let's go with a convert to grid. Okay, let's lay this out a little bit better. Let's get the sales reps next to the job status, and I'm generally happy with that. That's perfectly fine there, and I like that style straight away. Okay, on the job header dashboard items, there's just too many columns there, so let's take away the job code. Let's get rid of that. Let's take away budget sales, so we find budget sales there, goodbye. And perhaps the work in progress, let's get rid of that as well. So that's down here, and we've done that. So that's looking a bit better. And what we'll also do is on the design is add some banded rows, and let's auto fit to contents. Great. Now what else I'd like in this dashboard is perhaps to add a parameter. So that gives me a variety of options before I run this dashboard. So let's go across to home, let's go across to parameters, and let's add a parameter. We want that visible. Let's change it to date, and we want that to be a date based, and we want the value maybe starting from 2013, let's say. Add that value, and you can see that parameter sits right there ready for action. Of course, there's a lot more I can do in this dashboard. I could always insert a whole batch of items such as charts, further cards, and so on. I can delete any of the dashboard items. I can change the dashboard title, change currencies, edits, and so on. So there's a lot more. And of course, I can connect further data items, but that's for another video at another time. In the meantime, let's run this dashboard. Go back to home. Let's save the dashboard. Let's get out of there, close that, and we're in the custom dashboard section. There's my job costing. Let's run that by double clicking. There's the parameters I set in play, and there's my new dashboard, customized a little bit better for my needs.